I have an error code 108 on my thermostat. The contractor who installed the unit tells me it's an electrical problem and my electrician tells me it's the air cleaner problem. I just want to clear the error code, so I can set the temp.
Turn power off to outside and inside unit and it will reset fault code. Russ.
Not sure what you mean. I have turned off the power to the furnace at the switch, and I have turned off the circuit at the main electrical board already, as I have told you. What outside power are you referring to? And is there an actual on/off switch inside the furnace? Thanks, Marc.
Mark you 2 transformers on your system, one outside and one inside. There is a disconnect near outside unit. Kill power there to unit and that should reset error code.
Your solution to my problem has only created a new problem. I now have a different error code, error 107. I have turned the system off and then back on, both inside and outside, and still no solution. What next?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. It appears the previous expert has opted out of the question, so wanted to respond to assist in his situation. The 108 code you had previously and the new 107 code now are actually related to the same problem. There is an issue with the air cleaner operation. Turn the power off your furnace and then find the circuit breaker for the air cleaner in your panel and turn it off also. Wait 5 minutes and then turn on the air cleaner. Wait 5 minutes and then turn on the furnace. See if that clears up the problem. If you are still getting an error code, then please find the nameplate on the circuit cleaner and get the make and model number form that plate and post. We will then do research and see what needs to be done with the air cleaner to get it up and going once again. As to whether it is the electrical and HVAC responsibility, your HVAC tech should have taken care of the issue. No idea of why they would leave you with the situation. But let's see if we can get you going. Let me know how it goes, thanks. See the below on the alert codes you have seen. Also, if you still have an error code, look at the LEDs on the air cleaner to see which ones are on, off or flashing. That will indicate the exact trouble encountered. Yell 2, yell 3, yell 4, red 1, red 2, red 3.
Hi Tommy, thank you very much for taking over this file. Seems to me like my problem is that both the air cleaner and the furnace are on the same on/off switch and on/off circuit. I am not able to turn the air cleaner on before the furnace. Do you know if it is possible to turn off the communication between the air cleaner and the temperature control? The air cleaner seems to be the problem, and if I could disconnect the communication between the air cleaner and the thermostat, perhaps the error problem would be gone. I don't have a problem not using the air cleaner, as I don't think it works as a cleaner anyway, just as a filter.
Okay, thanks for the information. I don't care for installations that piggyback the air cleaner into the furnace, even if it is allowed. To me it is a shortcut approach, but then that's just me. Do you not have a power button the front door of the air cleaner? Or a plug on the front where the power cord connects? These are used to take it offline to clean the filter and the collection cells in the air cleaner. See if you do not have those to turn it off and see if that will take of the issue for the time being. The air cleaner will take of the smallest particles that get by the pre-filter, so it does do some work and should be online to perform its best and be efficient with the air cleaning.
All done. Went out to work and when I came home, just a few blinking lights on the air cleaner, which I can live with. The error messages on the thermostat are gone. Many thanks for persevering with this issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.